Today, November 13, 2022, is the World Candles Day. World Candles Day is an international holiday which was established in 1998. World Candles Day, as outlined by the World Candles movement, aims to highlight good deeds in the community, focus on positive forces, and unite common good deeds. On this day, both great and small acts of kindness will play a positive role in promoting and disseminating this important quality that brings people together. World Candles Day was originally a commemoration day introduced by the World Candles movement. In 2019, the organization was registered as an official non-governmental organization under Swiss law, but its history can be traced back to a conference held in Tokyo in 1997. A series of institutions and associations from Australia, Thailand, the United States, the United Kingdom, and other countries gathered at the conference for their commitment to promoting kindness in society. The written statement of its establishment shows that they are committed to jointly building a more humane and compassionate world. In 1998, in order to achieve this goal, they promoted the launch of the first World Candles Day. The original organizational form of the World Candles movement was formed by this activity. Since its establishment more than 20 years ago, this day has attracted global attention, and activities related to this day have attracted many participants. Although this day is an unofficial commemoration day, the World Candles movement still hopes to be officially recognized by the United Nations. If the organization's efforts are successful, World Candles Day will join the recognized commemoration of the International Day of Peace, Human Rights Day, and World Healthy Day. This year, we created a painting and a Sunday painting learning video for this anniversary. We hope that while learning painting, more people can pay attention to this special day. Thank you. Have a nice weekend and see you next Sunday.